Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Andase Priyanka, and today I'm going to share 5 important tips of building self-confidence in you. And friends, today I'm going to start it with the first tip, and the first tip is the mirror practice. The mirror practice is you have to stand in front of the mirror and you have to say repeatedly that I have the ability to achieve my goals. I am the best. I can do it. Okay. So these some sentences you have to repeatedly say in front of the mirror. While you are standing in front of the mirror, you have to create a eye contact with yourself. So this way your self-confidence become high. Okay. Now the second thing is believe in yourself. That means believe in the power of subconscious mind. You have the subconscious mind. You have two parts in your mind. The first is conscious and the second one is subconscious. So the conscious mind do everything consciously, but whatever we see or whatever we feel, all things goes to our subconscious mind. Now what happens? The subconscious mind has the power to create magics. Our subconscious mind knows everything, so only guide your subconscious mind that what you want. Tell your subconscious mind that my subconscious mind, you are so powerful, help me in achieving my goal, and you will see the magic. You will see the magic. The things will start happen with you in the same manner you want. Now coming to our third step, this is praise yourself, love yourself, give yourself a me time. What happens? We do everything for the others. We do everything for the happiness of others. I am not saying that do not do anything for others. Yes, those are also the priorities, but before giving the happiness to others, we be in love with ourselves. First, pamper yourself, give yourself a me time, because not giving a proper time to yourself, to ourselves, what we do, we get frustrated, and in this manner our self-confidence get loose. We all time has the irritation part, we have that guilt, and now and then we lose our self-confidence. So friends, start praise yourself. Whenever you stand in front of the mirror, try to praise yourself. Yeah, I am so beautiful, I am so handsome, my hairs are so good, my skin is so charming, my nails are too good, I am looking good, everybody praise me, everybody wants to be like me. So you have to say all these kind of sentences whenever you are in front of the mirror. So it will help you out in rebuilding your self-confidence. Now the next point is be consistent and persistent with your goals. Always what happens, friends, sometimes we decide that we want this, but for only 2 or 3 months we practice or we do work for that, but after that we forgot, or we realize that the things are not happening in the way we want. We have to be consistent and persistent with our goal. This boosts our self-confidence. Okay friends, so the last and the final tip is make a quick decision. You have to be a quick decision maker. So friends, I shared these very important 5 tips with you to rebuild the self-confidence in you, and I hope that you all will practice this, and whenever you say something, remember, say it in present tense, because we have to feel that. We have to say with energy, with excitement, and with the feeling that we have achieved that. Only that way we can rebuild our self-confidence, we can achieve our goals, and we can be successful. So here I close my video, and I hope you like this video. If you like, then please do like and share. Also subscribe and share it with your friends. So thank you so much.